First, the Bachelor in Business and Data in partnership with Mines Paris PSL, one of Europe's top engineering schools. It is ideal for students who want to join a business school while continuing to build on their strong mathematical and analytical skills, while at the same time having a hands-on practical approach to learning. This program combines rigorous theory with applied projects, ensuring that our students are going to be graduating with skills that are immediately valuable in the workplace. Second, the International BBA. This program starts here in Geneva, and then you can continue your studies either in Paris, in Milan, in Madrid, however you decide. It's a 3 years, 3 campuses program designed for students that want to have a truly international, both academic and personal experience. Finally, the International Master in Finance and Data. This program offers an in-depth exploration of finance combined with cutting-edge data science skills. Students develop advanced skills in financial modeling, algorithmic trading, and strategic decision-making powered by AI and data analytics. This program prepares students to take on leadership roles in industries such as commodities trading, investment banking, wealth management, and much more. Thanks to our strong partnership with some of Geneva's leading financial players, our students will gain direct access for internships, projects, and career opportunities in the heart of the financial world. There is no other program in Geneva that brings this level of integration between data, business, and career opportunities. If you're looking for academic depth, international exposure, and a direct connection to the professional world, this is where it begins.